Hey everybody, and welcome into Trader Tim or Tim Talk Stocks. Kind of still fine-tuning the name. Before we get into actual stocks, I just want to get out of the way. I'm not a trading professional, an investment professional of any kind. I'm just a dickhead with a microphone talking out my ass. If you take the stocks that I talk about or say that I will take, it's your own bad if it goes the wrong way. Now let's get into the specifics of the market. SPY's been in a downtrend since the first of the year. We've been doing this thing where we gap down and then sell up. At least that's what we did today. We bounced midway through our channel, and now we have resistance at this 428 line. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow? Could go up, could go down. What I can say and what I do know is that whatever I think is going to happen, absolutely the opposite will happen as far as market specifics go. The Qs is largely the same. Okay, stocks. Now, I don't know if you trade Amazon. I don't usually. That being said, it is interesting. They are in a larger trend. We got back up off the bottoms here around 2730 and 2671 and bounced off this resistance level from where we popped down over here and then got bought back up. So we could collapse back down. What I think is going to happen is, as this is kind of a double bottom that formed on the daily, we're going to re-enter this trend right here between 3,000 and 3,500. Be my guess. I don't typically trade that stock, but that seems like it's money right there. CrowdStrike. They had earnings. They popped up off the bottom here. And who knows? I don't think it's going to go up here, but my guess would be that it's going to gap fill back down and into this area. It's just one to watch because we're going to get movement tomorrow. Monday.com. We gapped down in February, kind of popped back up, and I watched this. I called this out. Maybe it was different. I called this out. I'm not sure who I called this out to, but I know that I've been watching this stock. Anyways, then we pulled back to form this double bottom on the daily. So what I kind of think is going to happen is we're going to pop up tomorrow. Who knows how much, but the stock moves in $10 and $20 increments. So this could be a big winner. This could be dollars and cents. We've got AMD. AMD is in a downtrend. It has been since December 1st. I have played this a couple of times. I got hosed in this candle. I was selling call options. No, I'm sorry. I was long a stock, sold call options because this happened, and then I got stuck in this stock, and I just sold a couple days ago. Sold for a big L. It's one of the most important things about trading is never add to a position. Don't bury yourself in a loss. I did it, but it just kind of happens. Anyways, I've been trading Oxy a bunch too. Oh, AMD. More notes on AMD. AMD is in this kind of pendant formation, and I think it's going to sell down to the bottom being at 100. And it'll be kind of unfortunate because this is a very good stock, very good company. But I'll be shorting it all the way down, and once it gets back to 74, I'm going to buy it because at some point this stock is going to be worth $200. It's a very good company. It's highly traded. It'll be worth $200 someday. All right, Oxy. I've been trading Oxy a lot. We are definitely hitting this $60 level and hitting major resistance now. There's also levels further up to the top side from before when we cratered at the start of the pandemic. We've got levels from back here, but I don't know that we're going to go through this line. seems logical that we would. It seems like the Oxy president is also just, I don't know, he's talking and the talking points are good. Like, we're running out of shale, places to harvest shale. At least that's kind of what the headlines, I have not looked into it that much. What's important to me is the volatility and the volume, right? And we've gotten that every day, despite this day not having a huge candle. There was $1 pop at the open, and you would have made money off of it. The one I made money on today was Asana. So we had this big gap down on earnings, all the way down. It's 35 pre-market. I got into it at the bell at about 37.20. Cut this pop all the way up out of 38.60, 70, whatever it was. Got $1.50 off of it. That was a sweet move. I'm watching it tomorrow for continuation. I won't have a bias on it because it could plummet, but it could also fill up to 40. We're just going to be patient and see. So yeah, these are a few of the stocks that I'm going to be watching going into tomorrow morning. If you have any stocks that you're curious about, let me know. And if I get any comments on that, I will show up in the morning and we'll go over them. We'll talk about it. So yeah, this has been Trader Tim on Tim Talk Stocks. Something like that. We're going to work it out. Y'all have a good evening.